All right guys, if you guys are new of active tracking, I would prefer if you're gonna ride this in the bike, you make sure you have your transmitter with you. It's just in case you're not sure if you're gonna hit the obstacles and you don't want to go crash your drone. So it's better when you have a transmitter with you. Yeah, you can make it look like this if you would like. This is how I do it, and it's even better because you can always play around with it. And then now I have my Mavic Air, and then we're gonna see if it's going to follow me. I'm gonna have it like this because that's why I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and go to obstacles, and I'm gonna see if it works. Now you guys can see. All right, let's go ahead and do this. See if Mavic Air can follow me. I should have my speedometer. I don't have it with me, so it's my fault. And then you can see over here it's gonna be obstacles, so it's always better. You see what I'm talking about? So you better make sure you know your area before you do anything. So examine first, man, if you don't want to wreck your drone. And then you can see the Mavic is still, see, it's still moving away from the obstacles. The reason why DJI it's not making a drone that will dodge obstacles, because they did that already with the Phantom X. The reason why DJI did not do it because they know that it's not going to be practical yet, and there's going to be low light issues, so the video quality is not going to be as good, because you're going to have shadows, and your picture quality and your video quality is not going to be as great. And that's the reason why DJI did not do that. So for you guys out there, they will make it eventually, but they know that trees are not, you can't depend on trees. What happened if the branch broke off? Then your quadcopter is gone, your Mavic is gone. So that's the reason why DJI did that. So right now, and you can see I'm dodging the obstacles. And just like I said, before you do anything, you make sure make sure that make sure that you're not hitting anything. See, I just passed it. So always have it. If this is your first time, you want to learn how to do active track with the drone, it's always better. And like once you get good, then you can leave your transmitter somewhere else, if you're going like a mile away. But you can see right now it's windy, and then you can see the Mavic Air still. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it. So I'm gonna let the drone follow me around. So I'm going fast right now, going speed. You see the Mavic still following me around. Woo! And then after that, if you decided to, whew, sorry. And now it's done. So easier for you guys.